In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload GitHub project on LinkedIn. So first, I open LinkedIn, then I need to going on this profile icon, this name. This is my name. Then now I need to click on just add profile section. That's it. So here's a lots of things. So I need to click on add project. So here is a project name. So you can type website, anything you can write website create. I write this on only for example purpose. You can write your preference. That's it. So you can write a description. That's mean 2000 word allow here. So you can write short description. I highly recommend it. So skill. So you can write some of skill. I write here HTML, again CSS. You can type you can add some of skill on here. So Python. So I write some of skill, SEO of page, SEO audit, SEO copywriting. Okay, I add these of skills. If you want to add media, this is not required. You can add a link. So here is the things you can add a link. Now I going on this my GitHub. So after going on GitHub, you can see four repositories I have. So I click on this website, then I need to just copy this link. So just going on code, then HTTPS, just copy this code, then again going on paste on here, copy link, just click on add. That's it. You can write a description if you want, but I don't need. Just click on apply. Then I currently work on this project. That's it. So I need to add only starting date. So November 2025. That's it. Then end of December 2025. Okay. That if you want to add contributor, but this is not necessary associate with. So okay, this one. Then click on save. That's it. Your work if your project has been added. So if you want to add start a post, just click on start a post, but I don't need, just skip. That's it. So this is the method how you can add a GitHub project on LinkedIn. So if you found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.